No wonder Jesus also said that you come to me if you are tired because my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Kapag kasama natin ang Panginoon, ang sinasabi niya, dapat magaang lang ang buhay. Hindi natin binibigitan. Hindi tayo nag-aalala sa pwedeng maging sitwasyon ng ating buhay. Alam ko na yung nakikita ninyo sa harapan ninyo ay nakakatakot. Pero ang sinasabi ng Panginoon sa kanila, don't be afraid, don't be discouraged, for that battle is not yours. That thing that you are worrying about is not yours. It is the Lord's battle, and all you have to do is stand still and believe that God is with you and God will fight for you, that God is always in front of you and not behind you. Focus on Him. Focus on Jesus Christ, because when you worship God, you focus on Him. When you worry, you focus on your problem. Kaya sabi ng Panginoon, don't be discouraged, don't be dismayed. Kapag ikaw ay nag-aalala, ang nakikita mo problema. Pero kapag ikaw ay nag-worship, ang nakikita mo ay ang ating Panginoon. At yung matuto